We made it. We're set up. Set up in the pouring down rain. And now it's barely sprinkling. That's the way it goes, right? So we're back at Truman State Park. We're in Devil's Backbone. This is actually the same spot that we were in, I don't know, maybe a year and a half, 2 years ago. Been a while. And we are camping with Mr. Jerry Holly and Sherry for Fantastic Travels. So we're going to spend a couple of days with them. About ready to go over and start having a cookout. Eat some burgers.
Like a string bean tree.
I was filming and I was thinking, if it came after me, I would probably trip over these boots and land on. And so you'd see
It's gonna be a viral short. That's what that
Geese chasing me all of a sudden. What tree is that?
All tore down. The weekend has come to an end. All getting ready to pull out. Rain's coming in again. Yesterday was good. It was cold, windy, but no rain. So we had a good time visiting with Jerry and Sherry. And hopefully we get to do it again really soon.